These days, many people become more health conscious and they want to eat fresh fruits and vegetables in their raw form to get more vitamins and minerals to boost their immunity. But eating vegetables in the raw form is a boring task, and Nutralife brought to you a very simple fresh spring roll recipe to make this boring task very interesting and crunchy and crispy. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. Hello friends, welcome to Nutralife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. Today I am going to share with you fresh spring roll recipe. So watch this video till the end to learn how to make fresh spring rolls. Spring roll is a perfect food for mindful eater. It is really nutritious food option. It's made up of fresh veggies, boiled chicken and shrimp wrapped in rice paper. Vegetarian people can add mushrooms, soya chunk, cottage cheese instead of shrimp and chicken. Rice paper is used to wrap veggies and shrimp to make rolls. Fresh mint leaves, coriander, dill and spring onion is used to enhance the aroma of spring roll. Peanut butter sauce made up with soya sauce is the perfect dip for this spring roll. As all the veggies are used in the raw form, there are numerous health benefits of eating these spring rolls. Carrots are crunchy, tasty and nutritious food. Good source of beta-carotene, fibers, vitamin K, potassium and antioxidants. It is considered as weight loss food, also good for eye health, and it also helps to reduce cholesterol. Cucumber is a low-calorie and low-fat food. It is good source of vitamins and minerals, also containing good amount of antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins. Cucumber helps to hydrate your body. It is containing about 96% of water. As cucumber is low calorie and high water content food, it is good for weight loss and preventing constipation. Mint leaves are having very unique flavor which gives nice aroma to food. It is containing good amount of vitamin A and antioxidants. Mint leaves helps to improve digestion process. It helps to relieve cold and flu symptoms. It is also helpful to get rid of bad breath. A unique ingredient used in this recipe is Sasebiana flowers, which are flood season flowers in Vietnam. They are bitter and acrid in taste. These flowers are containing good amount of vitamin C, vitamin B, iron, selenium and amino acids. It is helpful in lowering blood pressure and it's also considered as immunity booster flowers. All other ingredients used to make spring rolls are also good sources of vitamins and minerals. So, eating this fresh spring roll is very nutritious and helpful to increase your immunity. Ingredients required to make fresh spring rolls are cabbage, carrot, cucumber, shrimp, chicken, soya sauce, tomato, coriander, Siciliana flowers, radish, mint, spring onion, dill leaves, beetroot, lemon, peanut butter and rice paper. Take rice paper and steep into warm water in the bowl and take it out in few seconds. Place the rice paper on damp towel. Arrange sheet of cabbage at the bottom of the rice paper. Then top with 3 small tomato halves. Top with carrots, cucumber. Arrange some fresh green mint leaves and sesamiana flowers. Top with some cabbage and start rolling as shown in video. Then place some boiled shrimp halves and fold the uncovered sides inwards. Then tightly roll the paper as shown. Repeat this procedure with remaining ingredients. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates from Nutrilife. See you next week. Bye.